This is an unboxing of the kit for the Experimenting with Extreme Environments Design Challenge. So what we have in here, lots of paper. Some waterproof connectors. Yeah, a nice mating pair of waterproof connectors. With waterproof cap. Very nice. And in here we have a Molex antenna, and a display. So this is a liquid crystal display, alphanumeric. And inside there's a nice Hammond case, taped closed. More tape. So it's got the Element 14 and Hammond already on the lid, so we know where that stuff is coming from. And there's the waterproof gasket and the mounting screws for that lid. And in here we have a Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4 I/O board. There's something else in there as well. Let's just check quickly what's in here. So it's a nice carrier card with all the interfaces for a compute module. The Ethernet, USB, HDMI, battery, some camera ports and display ports, micro USB, USB connector. Good stuff. And wow, this tiny little thing here is the compute module. So that's in there quite tightly, very tightly, in fact. There it comes. So the nice little Raspberry Pi Compute Module 4, which mounts right over there. And I better keep those connectors in the box. So that's what's in the box, and I'll have to explain a little bit more about my application in another segment.